Welcome to Physics Spark. Here we will learn physics in a very interesting manner. Now today, in a series of motion class 9th, we will discuss about uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion means when an object moves in a circle with uniform speed, then it turns at uniform circular motion. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Meenakshi. I am here to make physics learning a very interesting. You can find me at physicsbasic2020@gmail.com. Feel free to contact me. Now look at these two pictures. Here in the left picture a ball is moving with same speed, and in this picture, here it is moving again with a constant speed. It's not changing its direction, it's changing only its magnitude. Similarly, in this picture, a ball is changing its speed, not its direction. So, all these are examples of uniform circular motion. Now, we can define the motion of an object in a circle at constant speed is known as uniform circular motion. Means, when an object is moving with constant speed, here we are considering speed, not velocity. That means it's changing only its magnitude. It's not changing its direction. Then it is known as uniform circular motion. These are some examples of uniform circular motion. That is, first one, that is motion of the tips of hands of a clock. And second one, that is a windmill motion. And this a circular motion, that is a circle is moving with constant speed. Now here big concept is that this circular motion, it is due to the acceleration produced by the moving object. Clear? So circular motion is, it is due to the acceleration produced by the moving object. Now we will do it in detail. Now we know acceleration means change in velocity, and we have a method when velocity changes, when an object changes its magnitude or when it changes its direction. In circular motion, object is accelerating due to the change in the direction of motion. In circular motion, an object is accelerating due to the change in the direction of motion, though the body's speed is constant, that is magnitude is constant, but its velocity is not constant. Clear? It is changing direction. Now, some facts about circular motion. Circular motion is a movement of an object along the circumference of a circle. And the circumference of a circle of radius r is given by 2 pi r. And when we find the velocity using this, if an object takes t seconds to go once around the circular path of radius r, then the speed v is given by distance upon time, and here distance is circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r divided by t. Now look at this example. Here a boy is rotating a circle, or you can say it is tying a thread with some circle. Take a piece of thread and tie a small piece of stone at one end of its end, like this boy is holding this rope. Now, move the stone to describe a circular path with constant speed by holding the thread at one end. Now, let the stone go by releasing. Now, the stone moves along a straight line tangent to the circular path. When you rotate this and when you through this, then the stone moves along a straight line tangent to the circular path. Tangent means a line going outside the circle parallel to diameter. Clear? So it will rotate like this. The direction of motion changed at every point when the stone was moving along the circular path. And this is all because once the stone is released, it continues to move along the direction it has been moving at that instant. Look at this picture. Now conclusion is, when an object moves in a circular path, with uniform speed. Its motion is said to be uniform circular motion. If you like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.